Ever wondered how to create a contact form for a website? A form that not just looks good, but also validates user input on both the client and server side. Today, we're diving into a challenge that will help you learn exactly that. First, start by creating an HTML page. On this page, incorporate a contact form. It should have fields for the name, email, subject, and message. Simple, right? Now let's not just settle for functional. Let's make it aesthetically pleasing too. Use CSS to style your form. Make sure it's visually appealing and responsive. Next comes the fun part, adding client-side validation using JavaScript. This ensures that all required fields are filled in and that the email address is in the correct format before the form is submitted. Once your client-side validation is in place, it's time to handle the form data on the server. Write a PHP script to process the form data when the user submits it. Remember to revalidate the data on the server side. This is crucial for security purposes. After successfully submitting the form, it's important to provide user feedback. Create a confirmation page that displays a success message. It's a small step that greatly improves user experience. But what if there are errors detected during server-side validation? Well, in that case, you'll need to display appropriate error messages on the form page. Security is a paramount concern in web development. Make sure to prevent XSS and CSRF attacks by properly escaping data and using CSRF tokens. Finally, what do you do with the form data? You could store it in a file or a database for later use, depending on your needs. And there you have it, an exciting challenge that hones your web development skills from creating user interfaces to handling server-side data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so dive in and start building.